Dear friends, despite the intervention of the Supreme Court of India, the deadlock between the agitating farmers' unions and the Government of India is continuing without arriving any logical solution or conclusion. In the today's Indo National Daily, the ex-Secretary General of the Lok Sabha, Mr. PDT Achari, has written an article which gives a viable alternative or solution to meet the issues amicably between both the agitating farmers and the Government of India. It has suggested, that article has suggested to the Supreme Court of India, it has violated the parliamentary affairs, has violated two articles, that is one article 100. It says that any question in the parliament ought to be decided by the majority members of the parliament present and voting. In the case of Rajya Sabha, though there was asking for a division of vote so as to pass the three agrarian laws by members, it was not allowed by the deputy chairperson of the Rajya Sabha. Had it been done, definitely the constitutional provisions would have been settled therein, though it was asked for a division. Even if a single member asks for a division, it is the onus of the deputy chairperson to act by and go for division of votes. It was not done. Hence, on that same analogy, these things could be dealt by the Supreme Court of India, because it has not violated just the parliamentary procedures, but violated constitutional provisions which are mandatory in this regard. Another thing is that under Article 100 of the Constitution, which says that any bill shall not deemed to have been passed unless or otherwise it has been duly agreed by both the houses of the parliament. It was agreed by the Lok Sabha, but on the other hand, it was not agreed by the Rajya Sabha. Division was asked, the deputy chairperson was not permitting division. It has caused. Hence, what the ex-Secretary General of the Lok Sabha has suggested to the Supreme Court of India to deal about these two constitutional articles, because of these violations in the parliamentary proceedings, the Supreme Court of India could refer the matter to the Rajya Sabha again for reconsiderations, and the select committee, there would be in the select committee, there would be ample opportunities for discussion with the stakeholders of the agrarian farms laws, and the government of India through the Rajya Sabha procedures would enact fresh laws. This was the best solution and suggestion given by the ex-Secretary General of the Lok Sabha. Definitely it will work out if the Constitutional Court acts in a manner according to the established norms of the Supreme Court of India. Definitely the deadlock between the agitating farmers union and the Government of India would come to an end, and the democratic demands of the farmers would be addressed by the parliament by reenacting these three agrarian laws by consulting all the stakeholders of the farming issues in the Rajya Sabha Select Committee, and definitely a viable alternative solution would be found therein, and a peaceful and a democratic procession, the protest would come to an end. This is our appeal to the Supreme Court of India. Thank you so much.